Buddy and the Boss. Welcome back to Buddy and the Boss, and I just done a video 10 times, you could say 11, and I just posted that video, and then I deleted it, because I think I was just rambling mainly. So let's just keep everything in contrast from yesterday and continue forward. So we went to the gym today. It was quite productive. I don't know if I look any bigger, but we worked out on our arms today. I didn't really do much. I only spent like half an hour in there, just to get used to being in there, yeah. And I've had a lot of technical issues and all that sort of stuff, so I'm pretty fucking tired with all the equipment fucking around, such as the phone and all that sort of stuff. Now, Buddy and the Boss is just going through my progress. That's the whole point of this, to keep everyone inspired out there that just wants to, that's struggling and just wants to make a change in their life. As you know, I gave up the drugs and everything, like I said in the past videos. But we don't lie here on the Buddy and the Boss, and if we did do something wrong, we would tell you. And so, we didn't do anything wrong, of course, but I mean, I did have a joint today, but that's okay, because I mean, it has been a pretty difficult day, really. So I was going to go up the gym tonight, and I was going to take you guys with me, but unfortunately it's raining outside now, and that's not going to happen. It started raining back when I was doing a video a couple of hours ago, so that's out of the question. But tomorrow we'll go up to the gym, and I'm going to do chest and probably do my tries as well. So that's where we're going to start. It's where every guy starts. It's where I started in jail. We always start with our chest and our tries. Some guys think it's the biceps that are the biggest muscle in the arm, but it's not. It's actually the triceps. So we're going to go to the gym tomorrow, and we'll all work out there together. But I'm absolutely exhausted. I've got to sew my pants up tonight and all that sort of stuff. And I just wanted to do this video just to keep things rolling, and just to show you the it's all happening, and it's all happening, and I'm doing what I say, and all these things are happening. So I'll tell you what, that joint was pretty strong that I had, and when you haven't had any for like however fucking long it's been, you tend to get really stoned easy. So I've been like stoned for like a few hours now, but that's what happens when you don't touch it for a while. So but that's enough now of that. We're not doing that again for quite some time. But that's not a bad thing, and it's not the hardcore drug, so you can just work it out from there. But anyway, look, a couple of things I want to do really quickly before I end this video. Thank you to Lee for dropping off my Parada hat. Thank you for bringing that all the way from Byron Bay to Ballina for me. And I just wanted to give Marcia a quick shout out, and I do mean to catch up with you one day, but I don't have your phone number anymore. You have mine. Give us a call. Marcia is a human rights activist, and she's written 3 books on, and look, she's also tried to get a bill passed through Parliament here, but she was telling me she was going to America to live, and it's unfortunate I didn't get to see her before. Well, see you. Let's talk directly to you, Marcia. Marcia, we didn't get to catch up, and but perhaps we'll catch up another time. And if you're in America, I hope you're enjoying it over there, which I'm sure you would be, especially now Trump's in office. Eh? So all that corruption's going to be washed away, isn't it? And I wish he was over here in Australia. Now, Marcia has written 3 books, and like I said, she's a human rights activist, and she has a clothing brand called Barbed Wire Noose. Now, you can just see in the title, Barbed Wire Noose, alright? Because her story is about corrupt police too. And she does all sorts of podcasts and stuff like that. So I suggest you go check her out and check out her streetwear, because she does some really fucking awesome stuff. In fact, I've got to get some of her stuff, because I mean, I love. Just go to her. Just type in Barbed Wire Noose in your Google search. Go check her out. Go check out her clothing brand. Go check out her books. And I was going to do a review and stuff like that, but I don't need to. It's self fucking explanatory, really. Not self-explanatory. What's the word I'm looking for? Oh, I don't know. I'm tired. But anyway, look, I did say I was going to mention her in my next video, and I'm sorry it's not all comprehensive stuff, but I am tired. It has been a long day, and oh yeah, and I'm a little bit stoned, so don't tell anyone. Alright, so that's it for tonight. It's under 10 minutes. Thank God you're saying, because I just babble on otherwise. But that's it. I just deleted the other video I done, and we'll just post this one, and we'll go from there. But I'm just going to do daily updates. Watch them, don't watch them, that's up to you. But we're trying to keep people inspired, and all the people out there that just go back and have a look at my YouTube, how fast I'm changing, like from a few weeks ago, from where I was to where I am now. We're sailing through this. I did have to sort out my accommodation, and I do have to jump through a few hoops to retain it, but that's okay. We're keeping it all together, and that's the main thing. So, you know, to all those people out there, like I said, that just go inspire yourselves as well. You know, I hope I'm a bit of an inspiration, but there's not much of a change yet, so you're not going to see much inspiration yet. But it's just a record of me changing. Really, this is it. Before we do all our exposures and write our book and stuff. Like I said in the last video, I've got to get me right first. Otherwise, there's no point in doing anything. Because if you're not right up here, and you're not right physically, mentally, and well, you're just never going to make it. So you just have to keep strong, keep resilient, and never ever give up. This is Buddy and the Boss. I'm the boss, and I'm out. I still love doing that. Alright then, shut up, JJ.